At Legrand, we have the knowledge to transform spaces. The spaces in which we live and spaces where we work and meet. Through the delivery of power, lighting and digital infrastructures, we improve spaces for business and enhance spaces for learning, leisure, travel and all kinds of workplaces. From specification, planning and installation, all the way through to commissioning, service, support and maintenance, you can rely on our products, solutions and expertise to transform spaces for all aspects of life. And when we do, we improve the lives of those who design, build, use and maintain them. And we help to create a more sustainable world. Legrand, powered by specialists.